Think about this for a moment carefully. You work hard every single day consistently. Your money disappears by the end of the month. Your salary comes every month reliably, but somehow it disappears very quickly. The most dangerous part is hidden silently. You think the problem is only low income, but the truth is completely different. Small financial mistakes quietly harming you. If you ignore this advice today completely, next year will look exactly the same. So stay focused and watch until the end. You might be making these mistakes unknowingly. Every morning, what happens consistently? You immediately grab your phone, open a food app, and order something randomly. Buy snacks, coffee, and other unnecessary things. Then you complain. Money just disappears so fast. Real problem is not money itself. Real issue is lack of proper control. When you do not track your money properly, money automatically takes control over your life. Start tonight. Write down everything you spent today. Just write. Do not judge yourself. Awareness is the first step to real change. Then comes the afternoon. You scroll Instagram endlessly, see new phones, branded clothes, and cafe lifestyle photos. You think, I need this too, immediately. This is one of the biggest financial mistakes. Spending money to impress people who do not matter. Instant pleasure releases dopamine in your brain temporarily, but your future financial potential becomes completely empty. Happiness lasts only for 2 days, then stress and regret immediately appear. Always remember this simple and powerful rule. If something does not generate money consistently or does not help your personal growth, then delay buying it instead of spending impulsively. Rich people learn to delay gratification consistently. Poor people spend impulsively without any control. Evening comes, but you have no emergency fund. Then, unexpected problems appear suddenly without warning. Your phone breaks, a medical problem occurs, a job emergency arises. You end up taking loans or using credit recklessly. Stress and anxiety start immediately. Emergency planning feels boring until it is necessary. Start setting aside even a small amount every month. Do not touch this money under any circumstances. It gives mental peace and financial security. Night comes and you feel completely exhausted. You scroll, watch Netflix, and waste your time. The same boring routine repeats every single day. The biggest mistake is not investing in yourself. Degrees may open doors, but skills generate income. The market always asks, what value can you provide? Spend just 30 minutes every day learning a new skill consistently. Editing, design, coding, writing, or any high-demand skill. What you learn today becomes your income tomorrow. Truthfully, you are not lazy. You are not broken. You only need proper financial clarity and guidance. Rich people are not lucky. They are aware. They earn, protect, and grow their money consistently. You can do exactly the same starting today. It only takes making one serious decision immediately. Avoid waiting and regretting later next year thinking, I wish I had started earlier consistently. Start today by making one small but powerful change. Eliminate one mistake that silently wastes your money. Track your spending. Control unnecessary expenses consistently. Build an emergency fund and save every month. Learn new skills that increase your future income. If this video helps you understand money better, like it, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Share it with anyone silently struggling financially today. Be strong, smart, and take control of your financial life. Take small daily steps to transform your financial future.